Welcome to Walk on Dance Hall with Lex, King the best of the best and the real UnderWear. Yesterday, the Daily News presented their article on the Jamaican dancehall queens featuring Spice, Aishana, Jada Kingdom, and Shensia. The article has plenty of information on how the females feel in the industry as well as other things in regards of dancehall culture. If you haven't read that article, go check it out now on the Daily News website. As we all know, Jamaica had their Pride Parade this past weekend, and Yanique had a pretty stunty outfit scheme for her performance. There was a lot of backlash on the internet in regards of her very scandalous stunt, but of course, as she said, it was just a part of the performance and that's all it should be. She did have on stockings as well as underwears, and that underwear was just a prop for her scene on the show. Tifa released her video for her debut song, Man Government at time Balak Shop.
No man can stress me lift that raps. Run away a boy and tell him don't come back. No call my phone, no WhatsApp. Change all my number so you don't call back. Man government, a time for lock shop. If him now move right, a boy fi get black. Man government, a time for lock shop. If him now move right, a boy fi get black.
One of the most anticipated albums of this year was King Midas, produced by Not Nice. There's a plethora of artists on there, including Popcorn, Ja Vinci, Lisa Hype, Gaza Kim, Gaza Sheba, as well as Assassin, and so much more. If you have not checked out that album yet, go check it out now. It's on all digital platforms. As we all know, the Jamaican government is very strict when it comes to profanity, and many artists and sound systems are fighting against that. Mighty Crown, which is a Japanese sound system, came to Jamaica to perform and had their performance cut short due to profanity. Popcorn even weighed on this feel like that is definitely such a simple thing and is a part of the musical culture. Leave your comments below and tell me how you feel about the profanity used in performances. Battle between Conscience and I Octane, but it was abruptly ended when Conscience had came to Instagram and addressed a specific problem. Here is his comment in regards to speaking on Conscience's late brother, Delius. Many did definitely feel that I Octane did go below the belt, but I Octane also felt like Conscience wasn't even coming from a friendly place, and this was a very envious battle between the two of them. Although many felt like what Conscience said in regards of calling him pork chef was something that was not as comparable to referring to his brother who passed away in consideration of a sacrifice as Illuminati. Xyclone was featured again for his success of his album Year of the Wolf, and we can all agree that this is definitely Year of the Wolf for him. Right now his album is sitting at number 5 on the BillBoard chart. And Sizzla has been honored and awarded for his success as a reggae icon from the Jamaican government. And these photos here, you can see how he was awarded as well as how he rolled right in.
Holy Emmanuel I, Selassie I, Joe, Rastafari.
That's it for Walk One Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.